Hey guys, welcome back to the gaming family. In this video, let me show you how you can download Sons of the Forest for free on your PC. If you love this game but don't know how to get it, make sure to watch the full video and follow these steps. Let's start. Open your Steam app in your PC or laptop. If you don't have one, just download it in the web browser. After opening it, log into your account or create one if you don't have one yet. Head over to the store located at the top and search for Sons of the Forest in the search bar. Click on the game. Check the system requirements to ensure that your PC can run this game smoothly. If you meet all the requirements, click Add to Cart, then View Cart, continue the payment. Just complete the purchase and your game will start downloading. And then you can now enjoy playing Sons of the Forest. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.